Tell us a bit about Live a Bold Life in terms of the book, Patricia. Tell us, that's coming out on the June the 18th.
Right.
Give us an insight. Give us a sneak without giving too much away. Give us a little teaser.
Okay. Well, so I wrote my first book, as I said, after I got the book title when I was in France in 2016. And so that was all about how I was able to grow bold. Well, Live a Bold Life, your 30-day mission to a fearless future, is 30 stories of my first year in France and the insights I gained. And they're, just daily occurrences, nothing spectacular, but in those happenings, at 4:00 in the morning is when I usually wake up and start writing, and I have those insights, and I were connecting dots. I'm like, oh, this happened, and I'm like, oh, this means this. And so I would write these stories down. So it's 30 of those. And at the end of them, I have questions that the reader answers so that they can then fill in the intuitive affirmation that I have. It's a template with a couple of words missing so that they can create their own intuitive affirmation. Because one of the ways that I was able to grow bold was by listening to and writing out and reciting my own affirmations. And so when I say intuitive affirmations, it's really the affirmations that come from that higher self that knows where you're blocked, that knows where your limiting beliefs are, so that you can write those words in that are most meaningful and powerful to you so that you can, have that fearless future. So I'm really excited about it because, as I've been editing and working through it, I'm like, oh yeah, this is really powerful. And each time I read it, I think I can't wait for readers to get their hands on it so that they can have this transformation as well.